Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Breezy Kicks, the Sneaker Fiend. Now today we're going over the Pine Green Jordan 1s. Now before we get into the sneaker, make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at Breezy_Kicks23. Let's get it. Brand will be expanding their Air Jordan 1 lineup by releasing several new color options in the upcoming year of 2020. One of those comes dressed in a black, white, pine green, and gym red color scheme. It features a black and green leather upper paired with red contrasting accents on the tongue tags. A white midsole atop a green rubber outsole completes the design. Look for the Air Jordan 1 High OG Pine Green to release on February 29th at select Jordan brand retailers and the Sneakers app. The retail price tag is set at $170. Now I'm going to be talking about where to cop this shoe, some sneakers app tips and tricks, as well as my resale prediction. So before I get into that, I do want to talk about this cook group I have recently joined. Being a part of this cook group, you have ways of buying multiple sneakers accounts, proxies. If you are looking to invest in a bot, they are a great company to help you find the right one. So if you are looking to invest in some of those things, I definitely recommend hitting this company up. It's the Lace Network. I will leave their link down below. You guys can check them out. Use my code BK10. That will get you 10% off of the monthly fee. There are two different memberships. There's a standard and a VIP. You can go check that out. Decide if you want to join the membership. I definitely think it is a smart thing if you are looking to become a reseller of any sort. So definitely check them out. If you want to use that code, go for it. It'll get you 10% off and you can't go wrong with that. But yeah, let's get into the shoe. Now before I get into resell, I just want to talk about the colorway. A while back we did get a pine green in a white version. This one is black. Your heel section and Nike swoosh are green, as well as the toe box. The rest of the sneaker is black. The leather on here looks to be absolutely A1. Got a black tongue with a black tag with the red Nike Air on that tag. You do have black laces with this shoe. I imagine it's going to come with white as well as green laces. Definitely think the shoe would look better with either white or green laces. One thing I don't really like about this shoe is the Wings logo on the side. It is all black. There's no other colors running through it, so you really can't tell what the logo is unless you look really close at it. Just because it is black on top of black, I think they should have done that red. I mean, they threw in red accents anyway, so I don't see why they didn't do that. A black lining, black insole with red Nike Air on that insole. Then you have a white midsole with green outsole. So as a personal pair, if you like green, you definitely can't go wrong with this sneaker. Now, where to cop this shoe, it is gonna be on the Nike Sneakers app. That's gonna be the main place to get it if you're looking to get it online. Now, it will be dropping in certain locations. So look up your tier 0 shops, Foot Lockers, places like that. Ask them if they are getting the shoe and how they're going about the release, whether it's first come, first serve, or you have to enter a raffle. Just call around all your local sneaker shops and check in with them if you are looking to get this shoe locally. Now again, if you are going for online, I will leave links where you guys can enter raffles, the places that will be dropping this shoe online. The Sneakers app is going to be the main place to go. I have talked about tips and tricks for the Sneakers app in the past, and I've actually had a lot of people tell me they really appreciate those tips and tricks. They've used them and they've gotten success. I am just gonna go over them real quick. Now, if you are a professional, reseller, you're in the game, you know how to cop off Sneakers app, you know all these tips and tricks, then, skip past this part. It's cool. This is for the people who don't know about the Sneakers app. For those of you who don't know what the Nike Sneakers app is, it is Nike's app. This is where all their exclusive and limited sneakers dropped. This is the primary place to go. You have to download the Sneakers app on your phone. You can use a desktop and go to Nike sneaker launches. I will leave the link down in the description below. Also, the sneakers, when the release happens, you just go in and you put your size in and you click purchase. Pretty much the quickest to enter that information gets the shoe. So with that being said, you want to make sure all your stuff is preset. How do you do this? You go to Nike.com, go to your account. It will have your account settings. It'll show like your address, your payment options. Go in there, set all that stuff up, put the size you want, Make sure your payment option is correct, whatever card you have money on. Some people like to use PayPal. Now I personally use my PayPal. A lot of people say it works better. I've had some okay luck. And then the last thing you want to do is make sure your phone is set up with the password setting for your fingerprint. That way you just go in, and when Sneakers app asks for your password, you just use your fingerprint and you're good to go. Now on to Resell. This shoe currently on StockX is going for about $230 to $275, give or take 20 bucks. So I definitely think that price is gonna stay around the same after release day. Certain sizes I can actually see the price going up with time. If you're looking for a quick flip, you definitely want to get the lower sizes. Now, all the sizes are going to do really well if you hold this shoe for a few years. Jordan 1s hold very good value. Yeah, my predictions are $225 to $300 for resale on this sneaker. Now, let me know what you guys think of the shoe. Are you going to be copying for resale, for a personal, or are you just going to pass up all completely? Let me know all the good stuff down below. Make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.